Best. Yo guys, and welcome back to this new stream here on the channel, and excuse me for being 1 or 2 minutes too late here, but I had to still do some things here, so excuse me for that. But guys, thank you so much for tuning in once again to this amazing new stream on the channel. And on today's stream, we're going to talk about the Bitcoin price action once again here. We're going to do our extended TA on Bitcoin, and we're going to I will be giving you guys my prediction on what I do expect that Bitcoin is going to do here in the minute short term, and of course as well on the bigger time frame. So if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up that like button, guys, and subscribe to the channel if you want to be seeing more of this content. And without any further ado, guys, yeah, let's go right away in towards the video. And guys, I will be right away, before I go in towards my technical analysis, I will be right away say to you guys, just a moment ago, I added another 200k towards my trade here, and I added more to my Bitcoin long position. And on today's video, I will be explaining to you guys why I did add more to my position, and why I do think that Bitcoin could be seeing a very strong reversal from off this point. Are we not live? Test. Oh guys, I see right now there's a little bit of an issue because the stream is like a minute ago it's delaying, so it's pretty weird. So I don't know what it is, but the stream is delayed like 1 or 2 minutes, so excuse me for this. Thank you even though for tuning in right into towards the amazing stream here. Yeah, guys, it's going to be an amazing stream, but I just found out, because that was already the issue that I had, that's the reason why I started a little bit later, but apparently there's a 1 or 2 minute delay on today's stream. I don't know how it happened, so yeah, guys, make sure to and right now there's an issue once again, so hopefully it will be fixed here later, or maybe on the next stream. But guys, without any further ado, let me run in towards the stream here, and let's just talk a little bit about Bitcoin. So yeah, I did edit, of course, another 200k on my Bitcoin long position, so I will be explaining to you guys out there today on why I did so as well. I'm still in profits here on my Cardano trade as well, so I'm looking forward towards where that one could be heading towards. And in today's video, I will be explaining why I did add more to my position here on Bitcoin. So let me dive right away in towards the content, and let's talk a little bit about Bitcoin. So yesterday we were looking, of course, at this valid symmetrical triangle. So Bitcoin formed a valid symmetrical triangle, and what you can clearly see here is that previous resistance flipped into support over here. Like you can see, support as well over here, and then the top side is right now as well providing resistance. So what did we clearly saw that happened over there? We saw, of course, an approximately symmetrical triangle getting created here. So symmetrical triangle getting created in the market looks very interesting, of course. So symmetrical, it's lagging, guys. Oh, is there no issue? Okay, there's no issue. Loud and clear. Okay, nice, guys. So sorry, excuse me so much for this unprofessional stuff, because I was not aware the stream was like 2 minutes behind or whatsoever, so excuse me for that. It will be fine. It will get better. I mean, the internet from my side is good here, because I have like 512 more than 5,000 kbs right now on upload speed, so it should be good here. Yeah, it's good enough at least. But yeah, what you can see currently, Bitcoin formed this symmetrical triangle. Then we saw this breakdown, of course, where we did warn you guys over, of course, yesterday on the video. You can clearly see breakdown target was trading here on the green box. So I saw it to you guys yesterday as well. If we're going to go back to the 61.6k, so what I said here essentially on my Twitter page over here yesterday, if the market is going to go back towards the 61.6k, I will be aiming for, of course, a massive new long position. So let me see real quickly where I did set this. I set it over here. I'm going to long the dip from up to 61.6k. That was exactly what I said to you guys. So what we essentially saw over here is that Bitcoin dipped towards the 61.7k. So yeah, I just missed out by $100, but we were very close with calling the bottom over there, because I thought we were maybe going to squeeze out some more longs here before going up, but unfortunately I did miss the perfect entry. So yeah, I mean, nevertheless, I am still good, because I still added more to my position here on this average green box here. So I'm very happy that I did so. So you can see we broke down of the symmetrical triangle, we reached our price target, and right now we are bouncing off this previous resistance zone. So this green box, you can see previous resistance, support. So is this normal market structure that we are retesting a previous resistance as support right now here? Low upload. It's pretty good for the upload. So it's fine. It's working fine. You're lagging. Oh guys, what is going on? I don't know what is going on. No, it's lagging like crazy. Why is it lagging like crazy? I don't know. I mean, for my side, everything should be good because I got like 9,000 kbs. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why it is lagging. It's definitely aside from an issue from YouTube because it's like as well delaying 2 minutes or so. I don't know why, and I don't know what's it doing. So hopefully it will be good later in the stream, and maybe it will be not the longer stream, so we'll be trying to, of course, redo it in a moment, of course. But yeah, nevertheless, guys, essentially we are right now seeing, of course, this bullish retest getting formed here on this green box here. So I'm looking forward towards where we are going to head towards from here on. But you can see already that Bitcoin is starting to be bouncing back towards the upside. So yeah, looking forward towards where we are heading towards from this point, of course. I personally think that it is very likely that we're at least going to see these highs getting generated from here on. So let's see how it's going to be playing out, of course. So not lagging for me. I don't know, guys. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. So excuse me so much for the issues that we're having. And it's nothing to do with my connection side, guys. It's definitely nothing to do with my connection side. I want to be showing you guys a speed test, but then I will show my IP address, so I'm not going to do so. But yeah, it's definitely not an issue from my side. It's just from YouTube. So I don't know what is going on right now. But excuse me for that. But yeah, nevertheless, Bitcoin is right now bouncing here because we have been seeing this retest of this green box here. But if we're going to talk a little bit about the momentum on Bitcoin, what are we seeing on the momentum right now on Bitcoin? So first of all, you can see that Bitcoin yesterday has been creating this bullish divergence. So Bitcoin was, of course, over here forming a lower low in the price action, and while we were forming a lower low in the price action, the RSI was forming, no, not from here on. While we were forming this low over here, excuse me, while we were forming this this low over here in the market, you can see we formed a low here in the RSI, and while we formed this low over here, yeah, it's good. It's good? Okay, guys, everyone's saying it's good. Okay. Refresh the stream, man. Should I refresh the stream? A lot of streams are lagging. It's YouTube, yes. Yeah, I mean, exactly, it's YouTube. Excuse me, this is YouTube. This is definitely YouTube. Reload your page to fix the lagging. Okay. Yeah, guys, try to reload your page to fix the lagging, apparently. I don't know exactly how... yeah, you just guys try to refresh the page. Maybe it will be helping the issues. Most likely it will be helping the issues, what I just heard from everyone. Rejoin if it's lagging. Okay, guys, so it's an issue from YouTube side. So if your stream is lagging right now, and sorry for the unprofessional stream here, just make sure to refresh your stream right now so we can just go further into towards the content, right? So Bitcoin, what are we seeing over here? You can see on the 4-hourly candles that Bitcoin has been forming essentially this higher low over here. And while we were forming this higher low over here, you can see we have been forming a lower low on the MACD, on the RSI. So RSI is forming a clear lower low on the price, on the RSI, and the price action is still forming a very clear higher low. Corey Williams, try to refresh on your end. I did already refresh on my end several times here as well before the stream started. So I don't know exactly how. Are you still bullish? I'm very bullish. So Corey Williams, I did already refresh the stream, so I will be for sure trying to do so. I will be going over the altcoin I will be going over the altcoin request in a moment. First, we'll be discussing Bitcoin, but what we can see right now is that Bitcoin is forming, of course, this lower low on the RSI, higher low here on the price section, and this is, of course, resulting in this hidden bullish divergence getting formed here. And of course, like you guys can see over here in front of your screen right now, on the right side, on the left side of me, of course, you can see this is a clear hidden bullish divergence. So Bitcoin is right now forming, of course, lower lows here on the RSI, on the money flow index, and while it is doing so, it is forming, of course, a higher low in the market. So this is a clear hidden bullish divergence, and this is for me, of course, a clear signal that we should get a little bit more greedy on the market. So make sure to keep your eyes out on this and keep your eyes wide open right now here, because this is, of course, extremely important, and you can see it here on the left side. It's a hidden bullish divergence. This is not a regular one. So some people still say, no, this is a bearish divergence. No, please make sure to read the indicators good. Make sure to know how the RSI, how the divergences work in the market. But this is a clear momentum divergence that we're right now seeing here getting created on the 4-hourly candle. So this is, of course, one of my many reasons already why I do think we could be seeing a very strong bounce. Besides this, besides this, we're as well seeing very strong previous resistance zone right now getting retested as support, what is also looking like it's a very solid buy over here. So yeah, we're seeing different momentum indicators right now on the 4-hourly candles, and of course the higher the time frame, the more significant the bounce will be, already telling us that the market is most likely going to be bouncing further on. So Reason why I did enter more to my long here is because I was just very comfortable that we're going to see an even more significant bounce back towards higher levels. So yeah, looking forward towards it, and still my entry price is below the 55,000 US dollars. So for me on, it's definitely not a bad entry, and it will be just keeping my my trade open to, of course, try to see where it could be heading towards from off this point. So yeah, looking forward towards where we could be heading towards. Close and reopen this is fine. It's fine, Rover, and move on. Okay, excuse me so much. Excuse me so much. Welcome back, brother. Can you please just discuss your strategy to trade against the flash crash? Do not set a stop loss. I think in a flash crash you always should trade stop loss. The reason and the way on how I trade against flash crashes here, because flash crashes are sometimes very predictable. Not always, but sometimes they are. Should be good again. So there were quite a lot of issues here.